Hi, this is Bajarappa. In this video, I am going to explain about Superhero Hunter app, which is an assignment given by coding engineers. So, in this app, we can search for any superhero regarding Marvel. So, if I want to search for Iron Man, I can search for an Iron Man. So, it fetches from Marvel API. So, it displays list of characters regarding that searched query. So if I want to look for Iron Man, I can click on Iron Man. So I can check all his comic series status. We don't have data for this app, so it's showing empty. So I can look for some other character. Here, if I look for Iron Man here, so here I can see he has some comics which are regarded Adam, Age of Heroes. He has some series and all stories, and we can also add him to our favorite hero category, so that whenever we want to look for certain person, so we can look for him. So my character has been added to the favorite. So now I can check the favorites by clicking on favorite button. So here I have added Iron Fist and Iron Man. If I want to add more, I can go to home page again, and I can search for Spider-Man. Spider-Man, yeah, here I have Spider-Man. So here I can see his character, what are comics he has done, series and stories. So these are all stories. I can all add him to favorite. So I can check is my favorite again. So not only this, you can also uh, add to favorite from here as well. So you can add favorite, you can add as many as heroes you want to add to your favorite. This is the basic functionality of this application. So once you are, these are all favorite heroes, and also you can remove them if you don't want it anymore. You can do this as well. Now I'm going to explain how the code is written. So basically I have three categories of file. One is basic index home page index HTML, and one more is hero details where we see all the details of the hero, and one more is favorite hero details, where the favorite hero list is listed. So now we go to home page. So here basically this is the header part where we show here superhero name and search bar and favorite search bar, and we have a favorite button. And here I have a container which dynamically adds the list of items to this container. So it stores whichever I load the heroes into this. So now go to script. So here what I have done is I have stored my API public key and private key in config.json file, so that I don't have to uh, reveal my public and private key. From there, I'm fetching my API key and I'm storing that key in config file. So I am I'm calling load config, and I am adding asynchronous function so that it fetches asynchronously. So once I get the config, so I can store those public key and private key here again, and I am hashing that key using crypto.js. So once it is done, so I am fetching superheroes by using search query. So basically, once I search for any keyword, so it triggers the superhero regarding that keyword. So I am basically calling this API URL. It has a base URL. So this is a base URL, and I have my public and private key hashed key, and this is my search query which I am doing. So I am fetching a API URL. So from there I am getting some responses. If I get the response properly, I am storing it as JSON, and then I am putting it into data. So I am calling that data in display superheroes. So what it does is it fetches superheroes and stores that superhero into a list, which is then appended into result which I have explained in the HTML. So after that, I have a favorite button which if I click on it, it will add my hero into favorite button as well. So once it is this is my search input which I am doing. So search input is nothing but whatever key we are entering. that will trigger the hero which we are calling it here. So here it is calling that search query. So that is what we are doing it basically here. So after the query is done, I'm displaying superhero details by calling this result div function. So it basically storing in Windows local storage, and it is taking me to hero detail page, which is hero details.html, and using some ID of the hero. This is a function to add superhero to my favorites. So I'm storing favorite hero in a local storage, and if he is not there, I'm assigning it to an empty array, and I'm also checking for any duplicated heroes if the hero is already been added or the name is some duplicate. After that, I am pushing that hero to my favorite hero page. So this is a favorite page. If I go to favorite hero page, so here I am displaying, I am basically inputting that hero. So here also I am again calling the API for better performance issues. So here also I am appending that hero into the favorite hero list, and I am appending all those details, and I am also indexing if I want to remove. This is a function which removes a superhero from favorites. So it is in this hero details page, I am again calling API, and I am storing that keys uh, again a list, and then I am fetching that hero and displaying it in the favorite hero page. This is a basic application.